Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to hide following list on Instagram without private account. So to do that, head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile, then to the three lines icon. As we know that if our account is private, then no one can see our following list. But the people who already follow us and we follow them, they can already see our private following list. So if we want to just make one people so that they can't see, so you have to just go to the followers and then just select any person, then go to the three dots icon on the top right, and here you will find the option of restrict. Once you restrict them, they will not be able to see your following list. So you have to do this procedure one by one to hide your following list. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.